Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching material cost. Economic order quantity, part D, table method. So let us start with question number 7. A firm's inventory planning period is 1 year. Its inventory requirement for this period is 1600 units. Assume that its order cost are rupees 50 per order. The carrying costs are expected to be rupees 1 per unit per year for an item. The firm can produce inventories in various lots as follows. First, 1600 units. Second, 800 units. Third, 400 units. Fourth, 200 units. And fifth, 100 units. Which of these order quantities is the economic order quantity? Use first table method and second equation method. So let us start with the solution. First, with table method. Inventory cost for different order quantities. So first let us start with annual usage, which is also known as annual demand, which is denoted as A. So the annual usage is given as 1600 units. So we'll record 1600 for all the different orders. Order size, which is denoted as Q. So the order size is given as 1600 units for first lot. So we'll record 1600. For second lot it is given as 800 units. So we'll record 800. For third lot it is given as 400 units. So we'll record 400. For fourth lot it is given as 200 units. So we'll record 200. And for fifth lot it is given as 100 units. So we'll record 100. Next, ordering cost per order, which is denoted as CA. So the ordering cost is given as rupees 50 per order. So we'll record 50 for all the 5 lots. Next, carrying cost per unit per annum, which is given as rupees 1 per unit. So we'll record rupees 1 for all the 5 lots. Number of orders, that is A upon Q. So A is given as 1600 and order size is given as 1600 for lot 1. So the number of orders will be 1 for lot 1. For lot 2, A is given as 1600 and Q is given as 800. So the number of orders will be 2 for lot 2. For third lot, A is given as 1600 and Q is given as 400. So the number of orders will be 4 for lot 3. And for lot 4, A is given as 1600 and Q is given as 200. So the number of orders will be 8 for lot 4. And for lot 5, A is given as 1600 and Q is given as 100. So the number of orders will be 16 for lot 5. Next, total ordering cost, which is equal to A upon Q into CA. So for lot 1, A upon Q is number of orders, which is 1 into CA. So CA is 50 for lot 1 So the total ordering cost for lot 1 will be 50. So for lot 2 it will be 100. For lot 3 it will be 200. For lot 4 it will be 400, and for lot 5 it will be 800. Next, total carrying cost, which is equal to Q upon 2 into Ci. So Q is 1600 and Ci is 1 for lot 1, which will be 800 carrying cost for lot 1. For lot 2 it will be 400. For lot 3 it will be 200, and for lot 4 it will be 100, and for lot 5 it will be 50. So total annual cost, that is TCA plus TCI, that is total ordering cost plus total carrying cost, will be rupees 850 for lot 1, rupees 500 for lot 2, rupees 400 for lot 3, rupees 500 for lot 4, and rupees 850 for lot 5. Conclusion. It can be seen from the table that carrying and ordering costs taken together are the lowest for the order size of 400 units. This therefore is the economic order quantity. Next, we'll calculate by equation method. We know that A stands for annual purchase, which will be equal to 1600 units. Next, CA, which is equal to ordering cost per order, which is equal to rupees 50 per order. Next, CI, which stands for carrying cost per unit per annum, which is given as rupees 1 per unit. So EOQ is equal to under root 2 ACA upon CI, which will be equal to under root 2 into A, which is given as 1600, into CA, which is given as rupees 50, divided by CI, which is given as rupees 1, which will be equal to 400 units. So EOQ by equation method is 400 units.